Want to cook healthier without sacrificing flavor? Here's the thing most people don't realize. It's not just about what you cook, it's how you cook it. The right techniques can preserve nutrients, enhance flavors, and make your meals genuinely better for you. The catch? Most cookware makes it harder with uneven heat, flimsy coatings, and food that sticks no matter what. Today, we are showing you how versatile the Taima Titanium Pro Pan is at taking on the 3 top cooking methods, from quick sautés to light frying to easy baked recipes. Let's start with sautéing. First, grab that Taima Titanium Pro Pan. Its wide, shallow sides make it perfect for quick, even cooking. And then you're going to cut your veggies into uniform pieces and preheat that empty pan over medium-high heat until a drop of water sizzles. Spread the veggies in a single layer and let them brown for a few seconds before tossing. Thanks to the even heat and lightweight build, you'll get crisp, golden veggies that cook through without sticking. And tossing them is half the effort. If you're after some crunch, frying's your method. And yes, it could still be healthy. With the versatile Taima Titanium Pro Pan, you only need a teaspoon of oil, thanks to the Slipscale non-stick surface. Swirl to coat the pan evenly, and add the food in a single layer. It's perfect for naturally fatty cuts like bacon that release their own oil, or lean proteins and veggies that just need a light crisp. For shallow frying, the high sides let you work with a little bit more oil for food to stay partially submerged and cook evenly. The result is clean, golden crispiness without excess grease. And because nothing sticks and scorches, the flavor stays light and fresh. For hands-off cooking, nothing beats baking. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for both proteins and veggies. Start by placing the Taima Titanium pan in a preheated oven or on a hot grill. Add your ingredients like root vegetables lightly tossed in oil or even bread batter. Then let the gentle, even heat do the work. The pan's edge-to-edge distribution means no hot spots, so everything cooks through evenly while developing that crisp, golden crust. Slipscale makes cleanup effortless, and because the pan is lightweight, moving trays in and out of the oven is super easy. It's the best way to lock in those healthy nutrients and flavors without the extra fat or fuss. Titanium makes healthy cooking simple. Pure flavor, less oil, no coatings to break down, and pans light enough to use every single day. Stop fighting with your cookware and start cooking the way you actually want to. Discover the difference today at taimatitanium.com.